Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to July 15th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
It's World Youth Skills Day, a wonderful opportunity to build creativity, teamwork, and a love for lifelong learning as a family. Step 1. Choose a skill to learn together. Sit down as a family and decide on a simple new skill everyone can enjoy, like basic origami, juggling, painting, or planting herbs. Pick something fun, age-appropriate, and hands-on. Step 2. Gather your tools. Collect the materials you'll need: papers, paints, seeds, or even online video tutorials. This step builds excitement and helps children prepare and plan. Step 3. Learn and practice as a team. Follow instructions step by step, helping one another along the way. Laugh through the challenges, cheer for progress, and share ideas. It's all about learning and bonding. Step 4. Reflect on the experience. After practicing your new skill, talk about what you learned. How did it feel to try something new? What was surprising, exciting, or tricky? Step 5. Share your skillful moments. Take a fun picture or video of your family trying the new skill and give it a creative name. Celebrate your teamwork and growth. Celebrate World Youth Skills Day with curiosity, joy, and teamwork. Every skill you learn together is a memory made forever. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.